Oh yeah, I think I got enough. Okay, so I think it'll go in there about into solid wood by 1.5 inches or so. Okay, so now I got a paddle bit and my washer. Let's see, that's a 5/8, and that's not enough. It's just barely short of me getting that in there. Dabbity nabbit. So that's okay. I've got my 3/4 inch. Just fine. See there? So now I'm going to drill, because I've got to have enough for that washer to go in countersunk into the wood, and I've got to have it countersunk into the wood by at least that far. At least, oh, what is that? About 3/16 at least. 3/16, and the further I countersink it into the wood, a little bit more of this will hold. Okay, so minimum is 3/16. I'll probably do a quarter, 5/16 of an inch deep into the wood with this paddle bit. See, then after I get the paddle bit, then I'll take that out and then put this in upside down, hold it in there to make sure there's enough room of coverage. And then I'll get a regular drill bit and drill this for the shank to go through that first fascia board. Okay, you see what I mean? Then I can slip that in there, and then I can tap that in there and ratchet it in there with my ratcheted drill. I think it's going to work. You know what? I was incorrect when I told you that you couldn't use a drill bit in the ratcheted type drill, because I tried this one and it worked. See, first I used the paddle bit. I used that drill for that, and then I drilled the end in the middle with this to get through there. Okay, and you see, I'm all ready now to come up here. Here's my bolt. I'll show you what this looks like. See where I drilled that? You drill first with your paddle bit, and I went in a good 1/4 inch. Then you drill with that other hole, with the other bit, to get this through there and to allow for that. So see, when the bolt gets in there with the washer, like that, it'll be flush or countersunk into the wood. And then when it gets all done, I'll put some caulking. I'm going to have to recalk this whole thing anyways. I'll put some caulking over the top of this and make it rough and stuff. I'll have to put 2 coats over the top of this, you know, and it won't even look like I've got a lag bolt in there. See, you don't want to just take a lag bolt and bolt it in there and paint over it or something. No. Okay, so this is plenty long enough now to go in there, and just beyond this 1/2 inch OSB is the wood. Okay, when I put that in there, it should suck it right up in there, and I'm going to take my ratcheted drill, and I should be able to ratchet this puppy right in there. Or I can take my little hand ratchet thing if I want, and do it with this. But I think I'm going to just take it with my ratcheted drill with this on that, and ram it in there. Okay, that's my next step.